is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on what is a client. Now, if you get in an accident and you go and hire an attorney, he's your attorney and you're the client. But in a computer, it's a very similar type of situation. A client typically is requesting information from a host, which is generally a server. Typically, clients are also applications. So FileZilla is a FTP client, which is run by you to get information from your web server or wherever. Thunderbird is an email client because it requests information from the host that has your email. For example, when you come to Butterscotch.com, Butterscotch.com is the host of the information and you are the client. So a client is generally the person or software that's requesting the information from the host, and the host is generally on a server. So I'm the host, you're the client, and that's all there is to it.